Imagine a world where robots walk among us, not the clunky machines of factories, but sleek, sophisticated beings. These are AI humanoid robots, the stuff of science fiction now becoming reality. They look like us, talk like us, even think like us. But what does their arrival mean for humanity? For centuries we have dreamt of creating artificial life. Ancient myths speak of automatons and living statues. Today that dream is taking shape in labs around the world. Engineers and scientists are pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence. They are building robots that can mimic human appearance and behavior with uncanny accuracy. These robots are no longer confined to the pages of comic books or the special effects of Hollywood blockbusters. They are walking, talking testaments to our technological prowess, harbingers of a future where humans and machines may walk hand in hand. But this future is not without its shadows, and the rise of the humanoids raises profound questions about the very nature of consciousness, sentience, and the future of our species. The seeds of this technological revolution were sown decades ago. The first industrial robots emerged in the mid-20th century, transforming manufacturing and industry. But these early machines were far from intelligent. They were simple automatons, following pre-programmed instructions, incapable of learning or independent thought. The real breakthrough came with the advent of artificial intelligence. AI empowers machines to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. This ability to learn and adapt is what sets AI humanoid robots apart from their predecessors. They're not merely programmed, they are taught. We see this progress in robots like Sophia, the first robot granted citizenship, and Atlas, a humanoid robot capable of performing complex tasks and navigating challenging terrain. These are not just technological marvels, they are glimpses into a future where AI is integrated into every aspect of our lives. The key to creating a truly humanoid robot lies in replicating the complexities of the human brain. This is where the field of machine learning comes in. By feeding vast amounts of data into sophisticated algorithms, scientists are teaching robots to think like humans. These algorithms allow robots to learn from their experiences, adapt to new situations, and even anticipate human behavior. They can recognize faces, understand emotions, and engage in natural conversations. The line between human and machine is becoming increasingly blurred. Imagine a robot that can read your emotions, understand your needs, and respond accordingly. A robot that can learn your preferences and anticipate your desires. This is the promise of AI humanoid robots, to create machines that are not just tools, but companions, capable of understanding and responding to our deepest needs. The potential applications of AI humanoid robots are vast and varied. In healthcare, they could assist surgeons with complex procedures, provide companionship to the elderly, or offer personalized care to patients with disabilities. In industry, they could work tirelessly in hazardous environments, increasing productivity and efficiency. Imagine a world where robots take on the burden of dangerous or repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and fulfilling endeavors. Robots could explore the depths of space, build underwater cities, or even provide personalized education to children in remote areas. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination, but as we embrace the potential of AI humanoid robots, we must also confront the ethical dilemmas they pose. Section 5. The ethics of artificial intelligence. The rise of AI humanoid robots forces us to confront profound ethical questions. As robots become more sophisticated, blurring the line between machine and living being, how do we define their rights and responsibilities? If a robot commits a crime, who is responsible? What are the ethical implications of creating machines that can think and feel? These are not merely hypothetical questions for philosophers to ponder. They are real-world dilemmas that we must address as AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives. We must establish clear ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of AI humanoid robots, ensuring that they are used for the betterment of humanity, not for its detriment. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we are actively shaping through our choices and actions. We must proceed with caution, guided by wisdom and compassion, ensuring that the rise of the machines leads to a brighter future for all. Section 6. The potential for catastrophe. The fear of AI turning against its creators is a recurring theme in science fiction. From HAL 9000 to Skynet, the idea of artificial intelligence surpassing human control and wreaking havoc has captivated our imaginations for decades. But is this fear justified, or is it merely a product of our anxieties about the unknown? While the prospect of a robot apocalypse may seem far-fetched, the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes is very real. Autonomous weapon systems capable of selecting and engaging targets without human intervention are already being developed. In the wrong hands, such technology could have devastating consequences. It is crucial that we establish international regulations and treaties to prevent the development and proliferation of such weapons. We must ensure that AI is used for the betterment of humanity, not for its destruction. The future of our species may depend on it. Section 7. Coexistence or conflict. The rise of AI humanoid robots raises fundamental questions about the future of work. As robots become more sophisticated, what will happen to our workforce? Will robots create mass unemployment or a new era of prosperity and leisure? The answer is complex. Some jobs will be displaced by automation, but technological advancements also create new industries and job opportunities. The key is to adapt and evolve, embracing lifelong learning. We must consider the social and economic implications of AI. How do we ensure the benefits of AI are shared equitably? How do we prevent a two-tiered society? These are challenging questions, but essential for a future where humans and AI coexist and thrive. The rise of AI humanoid robots has the potential to usher in a new era for humanity. An era where we are liberated from the drudgery of manual labor and free to pursue our passions, explore our creativity, and address some of the world's most pressing challenges. Imagine a world where robots work alongside humans, not as replacements but as partners, augmenting our abilities and helping us to achieve what was once thought impossible. This future is not without its challenges, but it is a future filled with hope and possibility. By embracing the potential of AI while remaining vigilant about its risks, we can create a future where humans and machines work together to build a brighter tomorrow. The future is not something that happens to us, it is something that we create. The choices we make today will determine the course of AI development and its impact on our world. Let us choose wisely. As with any transformative technology, the true impact of AI humanoid robots will likely extend far beyond our current predictions. There will be unforeseen consequences, both positive and negative, that we cannot fully anticipate. This is the nature of progress, to venture into the unknown and grapple with the unexpected. We must remain adaptable, open to new possibilities, and willing to adjust our course as needed. The future is not fixed, it is fluid, shaped by our actions and inactions. We must approach the development and deployment of AI with a sense of humility, recognizing that we do not have all the answers. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we are actively shaping through our choices and actions. We must proceed with caution, guided by wisdom and compassion, ensuring that the rise of the machines leads to a brighter future for all. The rise of AI humanoid robots is not merely a technological revolution. It is a cultural, societal, and philosophical turning point. It forces us to confront fundamental questions about what it means to be human, the nature of consciousness, and our place in the universe. It challenges our assumptions, pushes our boundaries, and compels us to reevaluate our values. The future shaped by AI will be a future unlike any we have known before. It will be a future of immense possibility and unprecedented challenges, a future where the line between human and machine becomes increasingly blurred, and the very definition of life itself is called into question. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, we must proceed with both excitement and trepidation, embracing the potential of AI while remaining mindful of its risks. The future is ours to shape, and the choices we make today will determine the destiny of humanity. The question is not whether AI humanoid robots are coming, they are already here. The question is, are we ready? Are we ready to embrace the transformative potential of this technology while mitigating its risks? Are we ready to navigate the ethical dilemmas and societal challenges that AI will inevitably present? The answers to these questions will determine the course of our future. We must approach this new era with a sense of responsibility, foresight, and a commitment to ensuring that AI is used for the betterment of humanity. The future is in our hands. Let us choose wisely.